I think we need to go through this news. TheRegister.com, that's the source for this news. And it says that praise for the patch Tsunami, AI is unearthing decades of buried code depth. So, did I miss something? Or, okay, yeah, we were going into this news. We were gonna go through that. Thanks, Salman, for liking the stream. Praise for the patch Tsunami, AI is unearthing decades of buried code depth. Code debt. What is code debt? Code debt, often called technical debt, is the future cost of rework caused by choosing quick temporary shortcuts in software development over optimal long-term solutions. Okay, code debt is the future cost of rework. Aha, what an interesting concept, guys. Britain's cyber agency says that bill for years of technical shortcuts is coming due and it's arriving all at once. AI fueled bug hunting is about to flush out years of buried flaws. So, what is essentially saying over here is that AI is going to be flushing out the code debt that has been accumulated, and it's going to happen fast. Praise for looming patch wave driven by a backlog of weaknesses now being exposed faster than many teams can realistically fix them. All organizations have technical debt and backlog of technical issues that is both expensive and time consuming as a result of prioritizing short term gains over building resilient products. This does make sense. Prepare to patch quickly, more often, and at scale. Yeah, that's the lesson from this, that the code debt is due, and companies and organizations need to brace themselves for what is about to come and be ready for fixing all of the vulnerabilities that have been buried inside their systems.